Salam to all. You are watching Learn with Sidra. Here are short and easy sentences. So, without wasting time, let's get started. Don't be crazy. Don't be crazy. पागल मत बनो. Go slow. Go slow. आहिस्ता चलो. Where is my friend? Where is my friend? मेरा दोस्त कहाँ है? You may fall down. You may fall down. आप गिर जाओगे. What made you in hurry? What made you in hurry? किस चीज़ की जल्दी है आपको? How you got late? How you got late? आपको कैसे देर हुई? Mend your ways. Mend your ways. सुधर जाओ. How do you feel? How do you feel? कैसा लग रहा है? What do I do with it? What do I do with it? इसका मैं क्या करूं? I was not in the mood. I was not in the mood. मेरा मन नहीं था. Don't insist. Don't insist. जिद मत करो. What nonsense. What nonsense. क्या बकवास है? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? तुम्हें क्या हुआ? Who could it be? Who could it be? कौन हो सकता है? You are of no use. You are of no use. तुम किसी काम के नहीं हो. I feel at home. I feel at home. घर जैसा लगता है. I am helpless. I am helpless. मैं मजबूर हूँ. What to do? What to do? क्या करना है? What to eat? What to eat? क्या खाना है? What to see? What to see? क्या देखना है? What to give? What to give? क्या देना है? What to say? What to say? क्या कहना है? What to buy? What to buy? क्या खरीदना है? What to think? What to think? क्या सोचना है? What to ask? What to ask? क्या पूछना है? What to tell? What to tell? क्या बताना है? What to get? What to get? क्या लेना है? Keep smiling. Keep smiling. मुस्कुराते रहो. Carry on. Carry on. जारी रखो. Why me? Why me? मैं क्यों? When come? When come? कब आना? Let me speak. Let me speak. मुझे बोलने दो. What's up? What's up? क्या चल रहा है? What happened? What happened? क्या हुआ? Why to go? Why to go? क्यों जाना है? Who did it? Who did it? किसने किया? Why to study? Why to study? पढ़ना क्यों है? Don't talk nonsense. Don't talk nonsense. बकवास मत करो. Don't tease. Don't tease. सताओ मत. Never mind. Never mind. बुरा ना मनाओ. Don't delay. Don't delay. देर मत करो. Don't cut jokes. Don't cut jokes. मजाक मत करो. Say yes. Say yes. हाँ कहो. Spit out. Spit out. थूक दें यानी ख़त्म कर दें. Bring it. ले आओ, bring it, ले आओ। fix that, इसे ठीक करो। me too, मुझे भी, me too, मुझे भी। do that, वो करो। go get it, जाओ ले लो। chew well, अच्छे से चिबाओ। tear out, फाड़ दो। turn over, पलट दें। take off, उतारो। be polite, खुश इखलाक बनो। strike hard, जोर से मारो। all right, बिल्कुल ठीक। eat it, ये खाओ। not now, अभी नहीं। stay away, दूर रहना। stay, रुको। put it, रख दो।